What's up guys, Nicole here with Momentum Accounting. I am heading home from golf right now, hence why I'm wearing this sweet shirt. Don't worry, I'll keep my eyes on the road. Whenever I'm driving, I tend to think a lot about business and accounting because I'm a nerd like that. And so I thought I'd jump on and just do a quick video talking about budgets and forecasts and how you can use them in your business. So up until about 2 years ago, we used to sell as part of our package when working with our clients, helping our clients with an annual budget. And we stopped doing that because I realized that for small businesses, budgets aren't really that useful. In a larger organization, you have multiple departments where people are like owning their own P&Ls, and you're basically setting an allowance for each of those departments. For small businesses, I actually have started, so what we do now is rather than doing the annual budget, we do monthly forecasts for our clients. And so I would say scrap the budget, and rather than do that, do a monthly rolling forecast. And the reason is because a budget is typically something that you're doing once a year, and then you usually just like put it away and never look at it again, or maybe you're actually looking at your actuals to budget throughout the year. But the thing is after a few months, that budget's going to be so stale and so off that it's not going to be really valuable for you to look at a budget to actual. And so if instead you just do a rolling forecast that you update every month, that information is going to be a lot more valuable for you because you're updating it based on what you know right now today. And so typically what we're doing when we're updating that forecast is we're working with the sales team or whoever does sales, whether it be the business owner or a separate team or individual, is having that person give us a revenue forecast based on what's in the pipeline. And then we're working with operations or whoever's in charge of staffing in order to understand it, based on if we do get that much revenue, who are the people that we will need on our team and what does that mean in terms of hiring. And so if we know that we need to hire someone based on our pipeline, we think we're going to need a new person in, call it 3 months. And so then we need to understand, okay, if we need somebody onboarded starting in 3 months, when do we need to start the recruitment process? Because it could take, from the time we give a new employee, time they sign an offer letter, they probably have, maybe they want to give their current employer 3 weeks notice, and then they want to take a week off. And so, and then backing into, okay, once we post a job posting and go through all the interviews, how long does that take? So it could take 2 months to actually find a new employee. And so by forecasting, we're able to plan that out much better so that we are optimizing the people on our team and hiring people when we need them based on the revenue. So it's all about balancing revenue with staff. And so that's really the value of the forecast. It's very empowering being in a situation where you can go to your accounting or finance resource, whoever that is, whether that be an outsourced provider or an in-house person, and be like, hey, if I do this, what is that going to look like to my margins? And so that's really the value of a forecast. So anyway, I'm Nicole. I'm the founder of Momentum Accounting, and Momentum Accounting is what we do is we are a fractional accounting and finance department for small businesses, typically 1 to 10 million in revenue. If you want to learn more about what we do, you can go to momentumaccounting.com, and I will see you at the next video.